Crypto is under attack. This is actually nothing new. Pretty much here every day. I sit in the seat every day, looking at content every single day, scouring a bunch of different news sources, and every single day crypto is being attacked. But it definitely feels like it is it is being ratcheted up as far as what is going on. I got a couple of key things I want to show you. Ultimately, here's what this is this is just part of the landscape, part of being in crypto early. And you are early, by the way. If you're here watching this video, if you own any type of crypto asset, you're early. I mean, and that's a good thing. And when you're in on something early and when you have something as revolutionary as crypto is, there are people, institutions, governments, businesses, entire sectors of industry, banking, financial, that are scared of crypto. With that said, it is under attack. Is this a doom and gloom video? No, this is just to me to let you know this is what's going on. And so you understand the landscape. So with that said, let's get into this. Okay. So what is going on? Well, a couple of key examples for you. This one is a biggie, right? I mean, this is kind of new. Not kind of. This is new news. Coinbase has received an SEC Wells notice over listed crypto assets, staking service, Coinbase Prime, and Coinbase Wallet. What does this mean? It means that the SEC is coming after Coinbase. That's what it means. Point blank. Okay. Crypto is being attacked. The government and financial institutions have never liked staking. Staking scares them. Why? If you look at banks, you go and you deposit your money, and let's say you put it in a deposit account or you put it into a CD. Honestly, I haven't done that in decades, but I mean, what, 1-2%, if that? I don't even know the rate. It's not a lot of money that you would make on that money. Whereas staking has kind of gone away. But remember, a year or two ago, you could get up to 10 or 14% or more on your money staking stablecoin. I mean, that right there scares the government and scares the banking and financial institutions, by the way, who have a tremendous amount of leverage and pull and say so and weight with the government and lobbying and things of that nature. That's number one. Crypto is being attacked. Moving on, right? Got this. White House slams crypto as offering, quote, no widespread economic benefits. The Biden administration is soured on crypto after several high-profile industry failures. Blah, blah, blah. When the White House is issuing this kind of stuff, this is scaring people. Look at this. Crypto FUD. Industry outraged as White House report slams crypto. Report included 35 pages seemingly aimed at debunking the merits of crypto assets. Crypto is being attacked. I've never seen it like this, where the White House is attacking crypto. It's not good. Wish they wouldn't have done that. They don't want crypto to succeed, but it's fine. It is what it is. Crypto is being attacked. Know that it's going on. This too shall pass. And it's just kind of part of the process of where we're at in the process right now. We will get through this. When the internet was coming online, that scared people. I bet you if we could go back and look back in the early days, in the late, teens and 20s when stocks, there was a lot of bad around then. And there was a lot of the government didn't like a lot of aspects of that. I mean, it's always something, right? There's always the cycle. And ironically, the cycles don't really change. This is where we're at right now. It's being attacked. It's always going to continue to be attacked because there will always be a sector of people that will be attacking. I will ask you one thing, and I want you to think about one thing. Look at the industries that are attacking crypto. How do they make their money? If they don't make any money off of crypto, they're going to attack crypto. Food for thought. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.